February 1st, 2021. Blizzard.
In New Jersey.
Time to work. Ah! Man! I can't. Woo! Man! Check this out. Woo! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god, look at this, man! Oh! Wow! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, I didn't even know where I'm going. Wow! Whoa! That at least two feet of snow? Oh my god! Oh my god, where's my neighbors at? Oh my god! What's going on? 2021! Come on! Whew! Whew! Oh my god! My Subaru! My Pathfinder! You guys okay? Oh my goodness! Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh my god! Look at my house! What the? What the? What the? Jeez! Look how deep it is! Wow! Whew. Oh my god! Where do I start? Ah! Whoa! Where do I start? For real? Jeez! Hey, you're not even working. Oh my god. All right, so good luck to me and good luck to everybody. All right, let's do this. Woo! 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 Oh my god. I almost tripped. Wow. Check this out. Our house. Whew. All right. So good luck to me. Let's see. One shovel at a time. All right, guys. Peace out.